Andres, enjoy ka ba sa ginagawa mo na to? Talaga? Okay.
Like, parang every time we have taping, it's like, parang naging bonding na with the cast. We're always laughing, mga jokes, good experiences always.
Compared before from your, more private life, di ba? Hindi mo na namimiss yung ganong paano mo rin nababalanse pala?
Hindi naman po kasi for me, I enjoy working talaga. Now that I'm getting busier every day, I'm doing more work, I'm really more grateful about that. Instead of course I miss having a private life. There's some things I have to sacrifice, but mas gusto talaga magtrabaho.
Ano yung advice ng mga parents mo? Pagdating sa pag-arte, yung advice ng parents
wala naman, usually just be yourself, and sinasabi nila sa akin na, the effort that you put into this will show if you really give it your all. Kaya I always try to give it my best, especially for this project. It's really a blessing.
Andres, nakita ko kasi dito sa Mutiang, kumbaga kayo, parang hard crowd, yung mga gano'n, di ba? Not to compare, pero para mako-compare na rin, your father started din sa ganitong mga genre na parang, rom-com or mga baget-baget, di ba? Have you watched those films na, okay, then at meron bang advice ni daddy mo? Dahil dito siya nagsimula and
sa advice ko sa mga
rom-coms, you have to make pakilig and everything.
Well, not really. It doesn't really give me advice in terms of the pakilig. Ang sinasabi niya lang sa akin na pag nandiyan ka na, feel mo talaga yung moment. That's when you know na if it feels good or not.
Happy ka sa mga ganyan, yung mga kilig-kilig na role talaga?
Ano yung mga sa mga love teams? Do you believe in love teams?
Do I believe? Yes. There's a lot of great love teams that click very well in this country. They work very well together. The chemistry is over there. So.
Are you single?
Yes, actually.
Yes, may possibility ba ma-develop na kasamahan mo, isa sa mga kasamahan mo?
Well, we really won't know, but that's for the future to tell us. Just experience it lang, it's all a learning experience. Kahit sino yung kasama ko sa kahit ng project, really a grateful opportunity to get to know the person and learn some things about them.
Saan ka celebrate na Christmas?
Sorry?
Saan ka celebrate na Christmas? Plans?
Dito na po, we're gonna celebrate sa Subo.
Andres, when you found out na si Ashley na magiging ka-love team mo, ano naging reaction mo? I'm sure, hindi ka pa ganun ka-familiar sa kanya. Are you familiar na ba with her?
Honestly, I was very excited the moment I found out I was gonna get to work with Ashley. I did my research, and then upon meeting her, really, I was very, very, very impressed with her. Kasi ang galing na, she's super talented, she has the grit, the drive as well. She wants it, ang galing na talaga. Ano ang sikap na rin?
Lahat sila halos parang merong, ang tawag dito, parang naiilang sa'yo, parang ganon, anong feeling mo gatin doon? Parang among them, parang kahit na natin lahat naman kayo, halos baguhan, or mas meron niyang datihan pa kaysa sa'yo. Pero may ilang factor sila kapag knowing na Andres Mulak. Anong reaction mo doon?
Kasi para sa akin po, I never really thought of it na they'll feel this way na ganit kasi dahil Andres Mulak ako, may ganun. Really, just more of excitement talaga. Get to know the person. Kasi people might think a certain way of me na parang si Andres, mga ganito. But I love always getting to meet the person. Tapos sasabi na you're so different from what I thought you would be. For me, I get so touched with that.
Andres, kung una ka namin nakausap, medyo hindi ka pa ganun kagaling magtagalog. Kumusta yung improvement from day one na nag-meet tayo nung pinakilala ka ng Viva?
Well, feeling ko nga yung Tagalog ko nag-improve dahil sa experiences ko lang with the cast, lahat kami nagtatagalog. Even at home, she got nice.
Sa Tagalog ka na kinakausap.
Para masanay din ako, diba? But yun nga, it's just learning talaga. Inaaral ko talaga araw-araw.
kumpara nung una na talagang
Wala talaga. Thank you. Recently, content shoot lang po sa likod. Mabilis na kayo sila. Wait ka lang.
Is she adorable? Did she like it?
Ate Rona. Birthday.
Hello, Ate Rona. Happy birthday to me. I really hope to see you soon and hope you get to talk to talk. Bigat talaga po.
Ate Kat naman, like normal meeting lang.
Okay. Ate Kat, kumusta na? Shout out to you. Wala ka dito, pero I'm hoping to see you next time. Diba? Hope all is well po. Bigat talaga ganito.
Just we do parang short content lang. Like, I will ask you very few questions lang.
Sige, sige.
Like favorite
Ilang questions po?
Mga favorite color, gano'n lang.
Sige, sige.
At least 2 questions na lang po. Sige. Okay, sige. Go.
Sige, sige.
Sige, go. Basta mabilis lang po.
Over.
Sige, so what's your favorite color?
My favorite color